Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video on the 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine with a 4-wheel drive. Going to make our way around the vehicle, showing you all the features that this truck does have to offer, and then at the end we'll go through noticing any sort of dents, dings, or imperfections that you may expect to find on this 2018 truck. So we'll start here in the front. You can see that you do have the darker chrome colored grille with the black and red accents. Gives this a nice pop with the fire engine red. So down here you can see that you do have your pulling options, your fog lights here as well. I will say the front of the truck is in great condition as far as any sort of chips or anything like that, but again, I'll make note of that towards the end of the video as well. Going around here, you can see you have a semi-aggressive tire on here. I'll go over the tread depths. They are all signed off on by our mechanic that works on the vehicle, so I'll go over those tread depths and brake pads as well. You do have the heated mirrors over here as well as the magnifier for pulling a trailer, and then you do also have the running boards down here as well. Looking on the interior, you can see that it is the black and the darker chrome, just like the outside. So you do have the cloth seats with the grayish ivory color stitching. They are powered as far as your seats moving up, down, forward, backward, and the lumbar support are concerned. Have your grab bars here to help you get in and out of the truck, but with the running boards, that shouldn't be a problem at all. You have a lot of storage here in your doors as well, so you have your power locks and power windows then. In the glove box is where you will find that checklist that I was talking about for all of our vehicles that are on the lot. So just looking down here, you can see that the front tire depths are at 11 seconds, actually the whole way around. And then our brake pads are at 16 and 14 seconds, so you're not having to worry with that anytime soon. And then you do also have your owner's manual in the glove box as well. Making our way to the back. Open this up to see that you have plenty of leg space for your backseat passengers. So you can see that this truck has been very well kept. Not any sort of stains or smells, odors coming from the vehicle. So it has been very well maintained. You can see also here with like the rugs that there's basically no wear and tear on them. You do have your charging stations as well as your back vents back here too, which is always nice for those backseat passengers, as well as the light up here then. Kind of the same with the front. You do have a lot of storage space. You have your cup holder, pockets, and then you'll have your powered windows back here. You do have a window that is right back here as well. I will show you how that power is up at the front between the driver and the person riding shotgun. In the back here, you can still see semi-aggressive tire. You do have your sensors here in the back, your proximity sensors to let you know if you're getting too close to anything. Have your towing hitch back here with the 7 and the 9 pin as far as your wiring is concerned. And then you do also have that rear view or backup camera, which I can also show you once we hop in that driver's side. See, it does have a bed liner as well. So we'll just take a quick peek in the back driver's side. Obviously going to look identical to the other side. One thing I will make note is that I didn't from the other side is that you do also have those handles back here then as well for assisting to get in and out of the vehicle, but again, still have the running board back here. As it is a Ford, you do have your pin to be able to get into the vehicle should it be locked and you not have your key, so you don't have to worry about being locked out. Can take a look here, just looking in from the driver's side. Again, you still have those powered seats. You are going to have your powered windows, locks, and mirrors over here as well. And again, the same door as the other side. Your lights are going to be located here to the left of your steering wheel as well as your parking brake. I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and turn it on, and we can go over the additional features. You will get two keys with this truck. I'm going to put my window up so you can hear me. So on your steering wheel, to the left here, you are going to have your cruise control settings. To the right, you're going to have your volume and Bluetooth settings. These arrows will also work what you're seeing up on your display. Can see here, this 2018 truck does have just under 31,000 miles on it, so pretty low miles for the year. Here on the side, you're going to have your four-wheel drive options as well as your trailer backup. Nice display here as far as the touchscreen is concerned, so you'll have your Bluetooth settings, and then your AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, which you can use down here. You do also have a CD player. You're going to have your heated seats and then your heating and cooling options down here below. You also have another storage compartment with 2 USB charging stations as well. Just looking down here, you'll have your shifter 2 cup holders and then the well for any sort of storage that you would like to have. Up here, you're going to have your light settings for the truck, and then this right here is what is going to operate that back window that I was speaking about. So if you look to the back here and if you pull that or push that button, it'll open up that back window for you, which is actually really nice. Just to go over the Carfax history report here with you, you can see no sort of accidents or damages have been reported to the vehicle. So what we'll do is we'll get out, take a look at any sort of dents, dings, or imperfections that are on the exterior of the truck, because if I'm being very honest, I haven't noticed anything as far as the interior is concerned. Like I said, very well maintained truck, so I would say that it didn't get a lot of heavy use to it. Just starting here, I can see one small little chip right there. The color of this truck is, to me, absolutely beautiful. Some small chips right there. Nothing else really as far as the front is concerned. Making our way through the side here, I didn't necessarily notice anything. I will say up here, there's just a little bit of wear and tear. Looks like something was sitting on it, maybe like a toolbox or something like that. And then you do have a little bit of a scuff right there and there. Making our way to the rear, another little dent right there, and a couple of scuff marks right there. And there's some down there on the bumper. I will say the bed liner is actually in really good condition, especially this top part here. And what I actually probably didn't show you was that this is going to pop out. It will actually be a step to be able to get up into the bed of the truck. So that does come out then as well. And this side, nothing else to see here. So if you think that this 2018 fire engine red Ford F-150 would be a great option for you, please check us out online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Give us a call, 717-485-4224, or come down and check us out in our showroom at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thank you and have a great day.